Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you looking to add a live weather widget to your Notion workspace? Whether it's for planning your week, keeping track of your travels, or just adding an extra touch of style to your dashboard. This tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to set up a weather widget using Indify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to embed a sleek, real-time weather display into your Notion pages, all customized to fit your needs. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Indify website. You can just type Indify into your browser's search bar and click on the official site. Once you're in, look for the Explore Widgets section. This is like Indify's gallery. Think of it as a collection of digital tools ready to be customized. Don't worry if you haven't used Indify before. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, so you won't have to dig around for long. Within Explore Widgets, scroll or use the search bar and type Weather. This will filter out all the widgets and bring the weather widget right up. Go ahead and click on the weather widget to start setting it up. Indify's widgets are pretty intuitive, but let's slow down here and make sure you get the most out of the customization options. One of the first things you'll notice is the weather location setting. This is where you tell the widget which city or region you want displayed. Just type your location, whether it's your hometown, your travel destination, or anywhere else you'd like weather updates for. Customizing the location is especially useful if you're managing a team across different regions or planning ahead for a trip. Next, choose your preferred units, Celsius or Fahrenheit. This is a small but important tweak. Having familiar units at a glance can make planning your day much smoother instead of mentally converting every temperature number. If you're collaborating with others, maybe double-check what unit makes the most sense for everyone. You'll also see an option to change the number of days shown. Maybe you just want to see today's weather, or perhaps you prefer to glance ahead at the 5-day forecast. Selecting the right range helps you focus on what matters most, whether it's daily updates or the week ahead. Style customization is up next. Indify lets you adjust the look and feel of the widget to match your Notion page. Whether you prefer minimal and clean, or a colorful widget with animated icons, play around with these settings until you find something that feels right. The animation feature is a nice touch. It adds a bit of motion and personality to your page, helping your weather info stand out. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to bring it all into Notion. Find the Copy Link button. This gives you a special URL that will display your weather widget wherever you embed it. Now, switch over to your Notion workspace. Pick the page where you want your weather widget to appear. Hit the WAR key on your keyboard, then type Embed. Paste the link you copied from Indify straight into the box that appears. Notion will take a moment to load your widget. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds, that's perfectly normal. When it's done, you'll see your custom weather display right there in your workspace, fully interactive and always updating. And that's really all there is to it. You've just added a personalized, real-time weather widget to your Notion dashboard. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and useful Notion tips, and drop your questions or ideas in the comments below. I'm always happy to help, so let me know how your setup goes. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.